Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make gulaman. Well, gulaman juice. Black gulaman juice. So right now, we need to cut off this gulaman. Right, so we're putting in some water here. Kasama yung sauce from the kanina. Lalo na ngayon, mainit yung panahon. This is good drink to have. Okay, so we're going to slice this first. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-slice nitong gulaman natin. Now, what is this?
Brown sugar with water.
Gaano karaming brown sugar?
Maybe 1 cup.
We have to make it sweeter because we're going to add ice. Oh, so it goes here. So now we're putting in banana extract. Why banana?
I don't know.
Okay. Hindi daw niya alam. Tapos na ba? Ito na ba yun? Oh.
I don't know how much actually. I have to try. It's quite sweet. Maybe half pa.
Sabi mo quite sweet. Ba't talagyan pa?
Let's give them a smell. Yeah, it's quite sweet kasi I don't have ice. Hindi pa nalagay ng ice.
Ano na? Okay na siya.
Pwede na.
Okay. So, there we have it. Some gulaman. Black gulaman drink for you. Just put it in a cup with ice and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this episode of Lutong Bahay with Nanay. I'll see you in the next one. So quick and easy lang.